Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your account has been disabled in App Store and iTunes. So guys, when you want to download or update any app on App Store and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, you need to go back. And guys, after going to back, you need to open your settings first. And guys, after this, you need to click on Wi-Fi and make sure that you have connected with Wi-Fi. So guys, if not connected, then you need to connect it, and after doing this you need to go back and guys click on your Apple ID on your iPhone, and after this simply you need to click on sign in and security, and after this you need to wait and click on change password, and after doing this you need to change your password of your Apple ID, and after this you need to go back and scroll it down, click on payment and shipping, and after this you need to delete all the old payment method that you have added on your Apple ID, and after this you need to click on media and purchases, and after this you need to click on view account, and after this you need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, maybe it take long time on your iPhone. Now you can see here page is on loading, so wait for a few seconds. So after a few seconds new page will be open. So guys, here you can see here you need to put your Apple ID password, and after putting it simply you need to click on sign in, and after this you need to wait for a few seconds, and now you can see page is on loading, and wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see here is the option of country and region. Simply you need to click on this tab, and guys you will be shifted to next page after few seconds. Now page is on loading as you can see here, so wait for a few seconds. Now you can see here is the option of change country or region. You need to click on this tab, and guys you need to select your country in which you have lives now. So guys, for example, I am going to select here United States. So after clicking on it you need to click on agree with terms and conditions of Apple. So guys, wait for a few seconds. So here you need to click on agree. Here is the option of you need to click on this, and after this here you need to add your new payment method. So guys, if you want to purchase any app or any another subscription on your iPhone, then you need to add your payment method here. So guys, if don't have debit or credit card, then you need to select none option, and after this here you need to add your all the billing address information, street address, cities, state, postal code and phone number as well, and guys after this you need to save all the informations here, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.